Guess what came in the mail today? What is going on, you guys? It's your boy Johnny back again with another video. As you guys could see, I got an order in. I don't usually do unboxings, I don't usually do stuff like this, but I put a poll up on my Instagram and it seems like you guys wanted to see what I got. So I went ahead and got my camera, came out here to my backyard, and so I can show you guys what I got. Like I said, I'm not really good at like explaining stuff, but I got some Christian Louboutins. I've been wanting these shoes for a long time, and I got a couple other things. So stay tuned with the video so you guys can see what I got. So right off the bat, I already opened the box, obviously, you guys could see. Right off the bat, you see the whole red thing, the whole red theme. You see this, what is this? I think this is, I haven't even opened this. Oh yeah, this is like the return policy thing. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna return anything, but it comes in this nice envelope. I don't know if you guys could see that. It comes in a nice envelope. So set that aside. I unwrapped this already, but I haven't opened it fully, so I'm not sure if the camera will focus, but I'm pretty sure you guys can see. Guess down below though what you guys think this is. It's not a wallet, it's not. But this was wrapped in red too. But I just unwrapped it. The wrap's over here. So yeah, okay. So literally I haven't really seen, I haven't unboxed it yet, so I guess we're gonna experience this together, guys. So let's stay tuned so you guys can see what I got. So let's get into the first one, so I'm gonna start from smallest to biggest. The big one's right here, so which are the shoes. Probably shouldn't have said that, but whatever. I'm pretty sure in the title of the video you guys are gonna see that they're shoes. So this is the first item I got from Christian Louboutin. It comes in a small little box. Damn, it's kind of firm too. You can see they're meant for the red, guys. Red bottoms. Okay. Comes in this little dust bag. It's pretty sick, And oh, I think this is okay. Comes with a little card. Another little card right there. And red down there. Okay, let's go ahead. What do you guys think this is though? What do you guys think? Guess down below. Before I obviously undo it. But it is a bracelet, guys. I bought a bracelet. It's pretty dope. I'll probably look off with it on, but I just thought it was sick and I got it. Check it. Ooh, yeah, this shit's sick. Ooh. Yeah, check it out, guys. It's like a little bracelet with spikes on it. Has a red inside. That's like their signature, Christian Louboutin. It's all about the red. That's their signature. Damn, yeah. Here, let me actually get closer so I can show you guys a little details. So as you guys can see, I don't know if it'll focus. No, I don't think it will. But it says made in Italy. So this brand's from Italy. And it says Christian Louboutin right there at the end. So yeah, this thing's legit. Check it out. It doesn't focus. Camera doesn't focus, but I'll try my best to show you guys. But yeah, this thing's sick. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna match this up with the shoes. Yeah, that thing's gonna look sick. What do you guys think? Yeah or nay? I like it. Okay. So let's move on to the next item. But yeah, that was nice. Okay. The thing about this is like, I really don't know why they wrapped everything up in red. I mean, I didn't tell them it was like my birthday or anything. Or I don't know if this is just how they do their packaging. But it's nice. I mean, I'm not complaining, but I mean, it's not my birthday or it's not Christmas, you know? I understand if it was during the Christmas time, like they do something like this, but I mean, I don't know. I mean, that's just me. Or I don't know if they just always do this. But.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
But I'm just saying. But that was the first item, guys. It was a bracelet, so yeah. On to the next item, again, wrapped in red. So let's get into it. Damn, I feel like a little kid. Dead ass. Unwrapping. I feel like a little kid in Christmas. So yeah, again, same thing. Christian Louboutin right there in front. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Woo. Again, they come with these. Here, let me get closer. Like, it probably won't focus, but they come with these really nice dust bags. Like, they're nice. Like, the material is nice and everything. Like, feels very high quality. Just the dust bags in general feel like really good. So yeah, that looks nice. Okay, so here is the wallet. This is a wallet I got. Damn, yeah, this is sick. Hopefully, I'll get closer right now, but I hope that none of these spikes fall out. I'm gonna try to be real careful with it, but this is the wallet. I have to get up, but I want to show you guys good in detail. A ver, focus. Maybe it doesn't want to focus, but this is how the wallet comes. Well, it's not a wallet, it's more of a card holder, but I'm gonna use it as a wallet because I'm not really gonna be carrying cash anymore. Mostly gonna do card payments. And it comes with this white thing in there, which I don't know for what. It comes with a pant. I don't know. Hold on. It comes with this little card here too, as well. Right there. I don't know what it's. I don't know. I don't feel like reading it. And then it comes with this, which was just, I don't know, it was on one of the, but yeah, this is a little card holder. As you guys can see, super sick. It will really complement the shoes. Yeah, I think it's dope. What do you guys think? You guys like it or not? Oh, look at that. The back also says Christian Louboutin, but damn, this camera sucks at focusing. No, okay, it doesn't focus, but it says Christian Louboutin right here. So yeah, that's the wallet. Like I said, I'm not sure. I mean, these spikes feel pretty firm. The wallet feels good quality overall, but I'm just scared. Like, you know how people usually wear their wallets on their back. Well, guys, they wear their wallets on the back pocket, so like, I wouldn't want one of these spikes falling off. Yeah, so yeah, but there's the wallet. It's very good quality. Very nice. It feels nice. So yeah, let's go on to the main thing. But yeah, there you go, guys. There you go. Finally it focused. There you go. There you go. So you guys could check it out in full detail. This thing's sick. Yep. Okay, now let's get on to the big boy, which is the main thing I got. So I'm gonna just put this back on the dust bag. Put in the box. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video though. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. I didn't even say it in the beginning of the video because I was just trying to get into this, but make sure to subscribe, guys. I got more content. This is just a little video on the unboxing since you guys wanted it. So I mean, I said let's do it, you know, whatever. More content, you know, more videos for you guys. So, oh shit. Okay, I'm gonna try to figure out how to get this out. Okay, this one was already ripped, I guess. Oh, okay, whatever. So this is the main thing, the main piece. Damn, these are kind of heavy though. But this is the main thing right here, guys, that I got, which is the shoes. Gosh, damn. Okay. Okay. All right, I'm gonna just leave it right here. I'm ready. Dude, I'm like literally, I'm excited, guys. Like, I've been wanting these shoes for a long time. And yeah. I think my last unboxing was with, I don't even remember, but I did an unboxing before. So, part 2, but yeah, what the hell, okay. So it comes with these little dust bags. Oh shit. Oh yeah, okay. Okay, so this comes with spikes. So it comes with extra spikes in this little dust bag. So okay, that's sick. All right, bet. So if any, I guess if any spikes on the shoe ever fall off, these are the replacements. So I think it has like 5 in there. Yeah, 5 little spikes just in case, which I hope will never happen, but just in case they do fall off on the shoes, you have replacements right here. And yeah, and I think these are the laces. I'm not really sure though. Yeah, these are extra laces. So again, in this little white dust bag, check it out. Very sick, very nice. It's very soft too. This is actually a different texture than this one, so they're different. This one feels much more softer. So yeah, okay, so these are extra laces and extra spikes. I'm pretty sure they come laced up. If I'm not mistaken, but I don't know. Alright guys, let's get into the big thing. Woo! Right off the bat, you see the dust bag. It's kind of windy outside, so I hope you guys can hear me. But right off the bat, you see the dust bag. See the dust bag right there? Right off the bat. Sheesh! Damn, these dust bags are really soft. Yeah, these feel much soft. These feel like a little more like they're good quality too, but they feel a little more like firm, more rugged, and these feel like much more softer. Damn, guys. All right, like I said, it's just something that I've been wanting for like the longest time, and I finally got it. Ooh. Okay, you guys ready? Let's pull it out. Let's pull it out. Damn. Check it out, guys. I got these black ones. Yeah, these look badass, guys. I love, yeah. Okay. Damn, these feel like they feel kind of heavy, but they feel like good quality. They feel good. Damn. And the smell is weird. Like it has that new. It's like a weird smell. I don't know. But yeah, I'll get up close so I can show you guys right now. But damn, I'm just fucking. These are just badass. It's black suede. But yeah. Yep. These are sick. Here, let me get up close so I can show you guys. Hopefully it focuses. See? Let me see. Okay, yeah. Okay, there. So as you guys can see, it's black suede. Do a full 360. With the spikes are like shiny. As you guys can see, check out from the top. And then the bottoms, which is the main thing right here. The bottoms. Yeah, these things are sick. What do you guys think? You guys think they're sick or not? So yeah, damn. They smell good too. I don't know. Me, when I get new shoes, I always smell them, guys. So I don't know if you guys do the same. Let me know. But yeah. Wow. I know I recently bought them on Mama Lona some new wheels, so you know I had to get some new shoes too, you know. So Mama Lona got new shoes, I had to buy myself some new shoes too, you know. So we gotta treat ourselves, you feel me? But yeah, these are badass. These are sick. As you see, it comes with the paper inside too. So damn, I'm gonna try them on right now. They come in a weird sizing. It's like Italy size or Paris. I don't even know. But but my size was a 42.5. So yeah, I'm gonna try them on right now. But damn, guys, these things they're sick. Yeah, and they feel kind of heavy though. That's the thing. But overall they feel like good quality. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the other one. Well, I mean, it's pretty much the same thing. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try these on because I'm excited. to see how these fit and how they feel. And yeah, so I'll get back to you guys right now. Let's go. So I actually just put them on. I probably look funny right now because I'm in my gym clothes. I'm about to go to the gym later today, so but they fit pretty good. They're good. So I actually got my size, the right size, because in Italy the sizes are way different. I got like a 42.5, and that's like 9.5 US. So I actually got the right size. I'm so happy. They fit snug, they fit good, they fit perfect. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take it off and show you guys the inside of the shoe. I forgot to show you guys the inside. The inside is super sick, so let me take them off real quick so I can show you guys the inside. Let's go. So this is the inside, guys. All leather. Let me see, focus. Yeah. You see in there, it says Christian Louboutins. And it says Paris in there. But it's all, if you see all in there, it's all leather. Like, sorry, I just put it on. Like I said, it might smell like patas. Nah, I'm just kidding. But yeah, they fit good, they fit snug. So they do, I think they do run true to size. So if you guys ever want to get some, they do run true to size. But yeah, definitely dope ass shoe. Definitely, you guys are definitely gonna be watching me wear these a lot, because I mean I spent so much on them, so I'm definitely gonna wear them. I'm not gonna like just have them there, you know. But yeah, these shoes are pretty sick. Like I said, I've been wanting them for the longest time, man. I finally got them, and this is I think this is a perfect color to start off with, because I might buy more. So I'm definitely gonna buy more, because these things are badass. But you can never go wrong with black, you know. So yeah, that's the shoe. I'm gonna go ahead and show all the things together right now. So this is the shoe right here, and let me get the other things real quick. Okay, you guys, so like I said, here are all the things I got. The wallet, so let me make it tap. I already showed you guys in depth as well. I already have my cards in there, I have my license in there. But yep, this is the wallet, back, Christian Louboutin. Oh, it actually has a pocket here too, so yep, very nice. And then I actually put on the bracelet. This is a bracelet, guys. See if it'll focus. This is a bracelet. Fits pretty sick. The leather is nice and everything. Probably makes me look emo or goth, but I like it. I'm not goth, I promise you guys. And here are the shoes. So this is everything I got from Christian Louboutin. Got the matching wallet, the shoes, and the bracelet. So catch me wearing these soon. Make sure, I'm probably gonna take pictures. I'm definitely gonna be taking pictures with these shoes. So be sure to follow me on all my social media, on Johnny Rios Official, which is my TikTok, my Instagram, Johnny Rios on Facebook, Johnny Rios pretty much everywhere. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, so this isn't to show off, guys, I promise. Like, it's just because you guys wanted it. So like, and plus I worked hard for this, guys. Don't think that like they bought me this. I worked hard for this. I spent my own money on this. So, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Damn, okay, let me just lift up the camera. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, like I said. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. It was a little quick, oh shit, it was a little quick short unboxing. I'm not really sure how long this video is gonna be, but I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It's your boy Johnny. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, everything. Catch you guys on the next one. Let's go.